Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Pipedrive AI for pipeline updates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process for Pipedrive AI, log into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon located in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, look for the API section and click on it. Here, you will find your unique API token. Copy this API token to your clipboard. Next, open a new browser tab and navigate to the Pipedrive AI integration page. On this page, locate the section for adding your API token. Paste your copied API token into the designated field. Confirm the entry by clicking on the Authorize button. Wait for a notification confirming a successful connection. Once authorized, proceed to the pipeline settings within Pipedrive. Select the pipeline you want the AI to interact with. Adjust any necessary settings for AI updates related to this pipeline. If applicable, set your preferences for how frequently updates should occur. Save your changes before exiting the settings menu. You have now successfully authorized Pipedrive AI for pipeline updates. Feel free to test the integration by making a small adjustment in your pipeline. Monitor the AI's performance to ensure it operates as expected. That's it. You are now ready to leverage Pipedrive AI for efficient pipeline management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.